Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can crop shape on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and as you can see, I have added shapes to this design. Then I'm going to show you how we can crop these shapes. Okay, if we click on the shape, there is no option to crop our shape. As you can see, I cannot crop this shape. I'm going to try it, but we cannot. But don't worry guys, because we can still crop our shape by using another shape. So I'm just going to duplicate this shape, and then I'm going to change the color to white, same as the background color. As you can see that my background color is white, so I'm just going to change it to white like this, and then we're going to use it to crop our shape. Okay, and we can also use this to crop this one as well, but wait, I'm going to duplicate it one more time, and I'm going to use it to crop this shape. Okay, you can modify the size according to your needs like this, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to crop shapes on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.